thanks for joining me for today's short scale study. Today, we're going to build our tone and our technique in the key of concert G minor. Before we begin, let's review the names of the notes that we'll need on trumpet for the key of concert G minor. It all starts with our low A, first and second valve, first and second finger. Second note, B, natural, second valve, second finger. For our third note, it's C, D for our fourth note, and E for our fifth note. Let's begin with number 1, minor fives. I've got my metronome set at 60 beats per minute, and let's begin. 1, 2, ready, begin. Let's review that first note, A, with our first and second finger, first and second valve, in case you've missed it. Now, if you have, go back, rewind, and play number 1 a second time so that you get that solid low A. For now, we'll move on to exercise number 2, minor 5, eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go. In case you missed the B natural, our second note, remember that it's second valve, second finger. Sometimes as beginning trumpeters, we often play B flat in place of B natural. Today, on concert G minor, it's B natural, second valve, second finger. Let's move on and play those notes in the pattern of thirds. Remember, we want to follow the composer's breath marks and make sure we're taking a breath every 2 measures. 1, 2, ready, and. Good. Let's move on to our tonguing technique. And let's play the expanding intervals drill. Make sure you're aiming for a nice, clean tongue, and make sure that it's crisp and clear and clean. Number 4. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And finally, let's finish with our last exercise. And as I always say, strive for a steady tempo and a solid tone. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, and. Well, that's our scale study in the key of concert G minor. I hope you'll consider playing it again soon and consider moving on to other scale studies, the advanced scale studies, or even the technical book studies. See you soon. Keep practicing.